distinct asset class that provides safe, decentralized systems, new opportunities for wealth generation, and financial inclusivity. With millions of Australians currently investing in or utilizing cryptocurrencies on a daily basis, the country has embraced these opportunities. Our government is determined to make this industry better. Our goal is to provide a regulatory framework that, while controlling risks and safeguarding consumers, encourages innovation. Additionally, we want to make Australia a secure, open, and prosperous center for blockchain and cryptocurrency by working with scholars, industry leaders, and international partners. Together, we can leverage the value of digital assets to create a sustainable, inclusive, and inventive future for our economy at this pivotal time. That's it. People in the cryptocurrency markets, we require that kind of leadership. I would like to go back to this crypto insight video. When is XRP likely to pop off, he asked. On May 6, he provided it with a blueprint. This was before Ethereum or any other alt making a big move. Now that we have more data, I feel like my conclusions are confirmed. Take heed. He is elevated. What has transpired here then? This is our range. I believe that eventually we will be able to squeeze through both of these liquidity pools and the price will reach a far greater level. Let's go on to the green portion of the liquidity look, and we'll do the same in a moment. If we utilize percentages above the two pools, let's just show you where the price reaches its peak, which is 24% higher than where liquidity enters the picture. I will repeat the process from the green area to the summit. We might be able to get a vague idea of where the high might enter from this. In Bitcoin, 24% will get us to roughly $160,000, 0 cents. That puts the price at my target of about 180, which is where I believe the cycle top will occur. Therefore, if Bitcoin makes a move here, I do believe that now would be the moment, or I just wanted to let you know that his top fits me in case this happened. I'm going to dial 175 to 225. Continue listening first. I genuinely believe that alt will likely begin to rally as soon as Bitcoin breaks the top of this range, but I'll take a backseat while Bitcoin pushes through here and then, and alt will likely rally as Bitcoin just blows off top to the high. Allow me to show you where I believe alt will most likely begin to go. If we start to break, I think that's a terrible drawing anywhere in this area. Let me just draw a square since my freehand drawing is really terrible. If we get around 100,000 and begin to rise further, this will be the turning point. Otherwise, it may be anywhere from here to probably around here. I believe that this is where the rotation into alt will begin. What am I saying? Actually, that's because this is where we witnessed the XRP move. We discussed this yesterday. This is the starting point for XRP. And as Bitcoin surged up here, XRP really began to outperform in terms of percentage. Remember that Bitcoin will continue to rise. Therefore, the higher XRP can go today, the higher it will end up later this year when all of that money starts to move out of Bitcoin. The XRP 1 hour chart is shown here. People, that looks fantastic. Take a look. If you need to wake up. So my game theory is this is this chart is quite easy. This is merely to demonstrate to you to what we have accomplished here over the previous month. Constantly steady, stable, up to the ages of 12, 30, and 14. Just lay back for the teens. And then how come I was sleeping when I was sitting at $2.62? Explosion to the upside. We attempted to penetrate the resistance area at 265, but were unable. You can see its lovely tiny wick there. Well, guess what? We're trying again. I am confident that we will be able to surpass 265 today. If the time is correct, it takes place live on the broadcast, the live broadcast this evening at 7 a.m. p.m. Eastern Standard Time. However, I think we will move over 265 at that time. And you can imagine what will happen when you look at the chart, and in the top right corner, we are concerned about just one remaining resistive sector, which is located between 283 cents and $3. After that zone is breached and we are able to close over $3 on the weekly time frame, we will have discussed this range on this channel for weeks, if not months. XRP is likely to grow rapidly. This is where my previously mentioned $4 to $6 goal for May and June will come into play. However, the cycle does not finish there. I want everyone to know that it's not over yet. We will re-examine the charts after those targets are reached. From there, we'll see where things take us. We're not quite there yet. Let's all just unwind then. Take a breath. We're excited, I'm sure. I am thrilled. Since 2017, I've been here. People, we are going to see one of the biggest and most parabolic XRP pumps we have ever seen. Nothing in 2017, no progress. has been made since 2020. Indeed. All right, we had a run, as you can see. It was rubbish. Our time was cut short. It wasn't a true run. It was a whoop-de-doo for us. After that, we remained in the 50 and 60 cent range until Thanksgiving of 2024. There is a lot of catch-up for XRP. The 18 ETFs that XRP offers will cause its price to soar. The only altcoin in the US with clear legal status is XRP. An explosion on the XRP chart is imminent, so I hope you're prepared. That's how I'll leave it. Look, tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'll see you all on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, or wherever you choose. Enjoy your Wednesday. In the interim, I'll see everyone at the performers.